Hello, OT Literacy. I am in my rainbow today. I don't have much rainbow stuff, but it's Rainbow Day, and I put on some rainbow clothes here. Today we are going to practice applying two of the four C's. So this is your Ignite. It's a discussion. You're going to watch this video and choose two of these to answer. But I want to quick go over them. We have connections, so that's what connections can you make between what you are seeing or reading and your life and what you're learning. Another is challenges. What ideas, positions, or assumptions do you want to challenge or argue? So this is your chance to argue. Like, I don't agree with that. You're doing it wrong. That it shouldn't be like that. I have a different idea. Those are all those ways you can argue. You love to argue, right? You can argue with this. Concepts. What are some key ideas you think are important and worth holding on to? So when we did the word phrase sentence, like what jumps out at you? What ideas can you see forming in what you see or read? And then what changes in attitude, thinking, or action are suggested by the text? So you change how you're thinking, you change how you feel, you change what you do. What is the text telling you to change? What can you pick out from there? So this is a video about life on the space station. And these are some just little helpful hints to make you maybe think about putting these in actual relation to the video. So again, you only have to pick two. Pick connections, changes, challenges, changes, connections, concepts, like just whatever. Okay? Pick two. All right? Now, I have an article for you that I thought was funny. So for the chunk and chew part of the assignment today, you are going to go to Newsela. Remember that you go through with, did I already sign this? With, I can't remember what I was saying. Oh, Clever. You want to go through with Clever, okay? And so I just want to show you quickly how to mark up this article. This is how will astronauts poop on the moon? NASA challenge aims to flush this mystery. Flush and poop. So, all right. Astronauts poop just like everybody else. However, going to the bathroom while floating in space can be tricky. Gravity is very weak in space, meaning toilets cannot flush the same way they do on Earth. In a new contest, NASA is asking inventors from around the world to develop a new space toilet. The space agency is looking for a design that would work both aboard the ISS as well as on the moon. Okay, so we can actually, I could maybe make a connection to something I've thought before about how do astronauts go to the bathroom in space. Maybe I can challenge what this is thinking of, or what's this talking about here. So gravity is weak in space. Or maybe the concept. Let's do concept. Let's do concept here. I'm gonna highlight this part, and then I'm gonna do concept. Oops, not right. Concept. How do astronauts go to the bathroom in space? Oops, and I spelled it wrong. I put astronaut. and then share. Okay, that's what you do. I can change the color if I want, but I just want to share. This is one. This is concept. All right. Maybe there's a connection I can make somewhere. Let's see. During NASA's this is an actual contest. So let's do connections. Let's see, what else do we have? We have connections. We did a concept. Changes. Let's do changes. So a change is $20,000. Microgravity. No, let's make a connection here. I'm gonna make a connection about connection. I would like to win money. All right, so I shared an assignment with you on here, and you have this one, astronaut tips on social distancing. This is your assignment. You are going to pick two right here. Where is it? Okay. Well, I went through and highlighted some for you. You do not have to pick these. I just tried to find some examples for you. All right? So this is your assignment. Go through, read this article, and pick two of the 4 C's to apply. All right? Bye.